Abhishek Bachchan wanted two kids with Aishwarya Rai. Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai's pair is one of the most powerful couples in V-Town. This couple looks very happy whenever they are in public, but looks like they are not that much happy in real life. Let us find out in the video what made the couple has differences in their conjugal life. After having controversial relationship with actors like Salman Khan and Vivek Oberoi, Aishwarya decided to get married. Beauty queen Aishwarya got married with Abhishek on 20th of April in the year 2007. The couple welcomed their first child, their daughter Aradhya, in the year 2011. Aradhya is the apple of the eye of the Bachchan family. She is her grandparents' favorite. Big B loves her granddaughter Aradhya a lot and he always pampers her too much. Abhishek also loves her little daughter a lot and even gifted her an expensive car on her first birthday. But in spite of being happy, Abhishek and Aishwarya had a fallout among them because of their family planning. Well, Abhishek has always expressed that he wanted to have two kids. In an old video of the actor, Abhishek was seen saying that he wants to have two kids. When he was asked the reason, the actor replied that he himself grew up with his sibling Shweta Bachchan. That is why he also wants his kids to be grown up with sibling. But Bollywood actress Aishwarya is not interested in having two babies. She is happy with their one and only daughter. Because of this, the two stars had a huge fallout. Aishwarya does not want to be mother again. As per reports, Aishwarya Rai is very much concerned about her looks and physical appearance. She wants to pursue her Bollywood career just like before, but if she becomes pregnant, then it would not be possible for her to continue acting. According to sources close to the Bachchan family revealed that Aishwarya said that she has worked really hard to get in shape post-pregnancy. It would be tough for her to do that again, so she does not want a second child. Aishwarya also added that their daughter Aradhya always gets trolled by people, which is another reason for her decision. Reports suggested that this decision of Aishwarya has offended her mother and father-in-law. Big B and Jaya Bachchan both wanted to have another grandchild in their life just like their son's wish. But because of Aishwarya's decision, it would be impossible for them to see their wish getting fulfilled. Jaya Bachchan, because of this decision of Aishwarya, is really disappointed on her. Shweta Bachchan also does not like the decision of her sister-in-law. This is also one of the reasons of why Jaya and Shweta share cold relationship with Aishwarya. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.